What's up guys, Lycan-Strife here, Driftwolf Gaming, and I actually wanted to talk to you guys about this one right here. This is a Philips Headgroom. This is a very nice model. I've been using it for years now, and this is actually a new one. I think I've used the one that I have upstairs in the bathroom probably for maybe 3 to 4 years, I don't remember. At least 2 to 3 years that I know of. This is called the QC5580/32. You can still look for it on the internet regarding the name Philips Headgroom. As you can see right here, it's called the Headgroom Pro. You can go backwards, easy reach 180, shave, 60 minutes of time, rechargeable 60 minutes cordless power. You can still use it with a cord. It comes with these clips and a little bag. Skin friendly, rounded tips and combs prevent skin irritation, 100% washable, fully washable for easy cleaning. And here it says the 180 rotating head for easy reach even in the most difficult spots. And that's true because I've been doing it almost every single time myself. Sometimes my arms are a little bit tired, or I did something in between or before that, or I made love to my wife, or I did drifting before that. When I did this, before I take a shower, I shave my head or something like that. You know, I always wait till I get like longer, pointy hair, and then I take everything off. So sometimes I ask my my girlfriend or my wifey for help, but most of the time I always do it myself. And has trim function, 14 lock and length settings. Head shave attachment for a perfectly smooth finish. Now I'm filming this right now with the Insta360 1R with the 4K mod. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this, especially now in the whole Corona times. Oh, it actually says 1 hour charge is 60 minutes of doing your hair. Battery light shows the battery status, I know that. Corded and powerful cordless use. Now, the problem I have with this one right now, the old one, is actually that it doesn't keep the charge in anymore. So I have to use the cord, and then when I plug in the cord, I have to wait like a couple of minutes before it really starts to work, because sometimes it just dies, and that's not cool when you're like trimming your beard or whatever, you know. It's very annoying because it stops. So we're gonna look at the unit right here. This is the unit right here. It comes pre-charged. There's no battery light. Only when I turn it on you can see the white light, I think. No, not even. It only starts blinking like when it's almost dead or something. You can turn this. See? You can turn it completely around. So now you have it sideways. You can do the side spots and then turn it. I'm like a right-handed person, so I tend to use it like this a lot, going backwards behind your head like that, going up. That works really well. You can get, of course, you can get this piece off right here. That's your little shaver thing right there. Then you have this part right here. You can grab this one for the very short, aka almost bald function. You just clip that on, and you're ready to go. You can get everything very smooth. And if there's something wrong with this, you can actually take it completely off. You can see those little brushes right there, little motor thingies. There you go. Clip it back on. It goes a little bit sideways. So yeah, this is actually a very nice unit. Like I said, I've been using it for years. This is the new one that just came in yesterday. You got your booklets, your leaflets right here, the warranty. These are all the model numbers. So if you guys want to know about all the models, these are all the models right here as far as I know regarding the Philips thing. There are different, I don't know if there's like different specs regarding this whole thing. There's the QR code if you want to scan it. Yeah. This is all just stuff. Here you go with the manual stuff. It's very unprofessional how I'm filming right now. I apologize. I've got this camera on a little hand stick. So there's a little instruction stuff right here regarding what you can do. Here's another instruction thing regarding how you can put those things on and watch the light. We don't have that light. We actually only have these three right here. We don't have one at the bottom, but it apparently means that this one is going to flash when it's almost empty. I have one upstairs that does actually all these three rings, so I don't know if that's going to be the same one or not. I mean, this is the Headgroom Pro. I don't know if I had a Pro a couple of years ago. I don't think so. So yeah, you can fade and stuff like that. I've never done that before, but apparently you can. There's like these things that you can put on that you can see right here. Those are these things right here. This is like a little plastic thing. Hang on, I'll take it out. This is like a plastic thing right here, and I'll put the camera on its feet real quick so I can show you guys what that looks like. So I've got this little clamp on there, but apparently it only works for the 360 mount, and I've got the 4K on there. So what happens is you have to put this one, as far as I know, on here. There you go. It clips on like that. So now you have this whole millimeter thing. Now what you're going to do is you're going to twist this knob. See how it opens up? See? It's going further and further. As you can see right here, the space is getting bigger, which means that you can like probably fade yourself. I've never done this before. I tried a couple of times, but I failed miserably. But this is like a really nice function, if you ask me. So that works really well. Then you have to like rip this one back off again. It's plastic, it's not going anywhere real quick, but you got to be careful with not breaking it. So what else is in the box? We're going to grab the camera again, put it in hand mode. Plastic. We got the charging cable right here, which is an European plug right there. We've got a carrying case, or a case where you can put everything in, which is just like from fabric. We've got this thing that you can put over your you can put this over your millimeter thing. So this thing right here with the cheese grater is going to go over this one, as far as I know. QC5580. This is probably a bonus thing for me, I suppose. Yeah, I don't exactly know what this does. Apparently, I think it's something for millimeter stuff. Then you've got your oil here for like put it on the blades. You've got your super duper small comb right here that you can use for the blades. And here's another plastic piece that you can put on, which makes it even thinner. So this is actually the thinnest one. I'll show you guys real quick. Might as well just do this, get everybody informed on the correct things, as far as I am correct. So this is the big one, this is the small one. As you can see, it's a little bit more tight regarding what you can do with that. So that one goes on the bottom as well. And yeah, these are all the things in the package. So it's kind of an unboxing. I didn't really unbox it because there was like a lot of plastic around it, so we just did it this way. It's easier to show you guys. And like I said, I'm happy I got this again. So especially in this Corona time, or in this COVID-19 time, this is one of the best Headgroom things on the market right now, for as far as I know. I like it very much. You can check out the reviews on internet. And this was the Philips Headgroom reviewed / unboxed by yours truly. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Please stay tuned for more content. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much for everything, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.